close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hey everyone, hello and welcome to Get Peppy with me. आज का वीडियो है really very special because in today's video I have been to Senco. जी हाँ, and in Senco I have recorded some very authentic mantashas. This mantashas are really very lightweight, starting from 7 grams onwards, which are really very effective. यानी कि आपको 60-70,000 के बजट के अंदर आसानी से ये वाले mantashas आपको मिल जाएंगे, which you can give your family and friends as a wedding gift or any kind of gift for Dussehra and Diwali. So stay tuned till the end of this video while I show you some very beautiful designs of mantasha, and along with that I'll also show you some other jewelry that Senco has got, which is really very affordable. So stay tuned till the end of this video while I show you this beautiful piece. Before we get into the video, let me tell you, in Senco currently there is up to 20% off on making charges of gold and platinum jewelry and up to 100% off on making charges of diamond jewelry. यानी कि सीधे no making charges on diamond jewelry in Senco, which you guys should not miss out on. So let's start with this very beautiful mantasha, which is really very popular in the Bengali culture. So I thought, why don't I capture this for you guys, because it is really very lightweight, and in this you can see very beautiful pearls and also very beautiful gold work. Starting with the first piece, like you can see on the screen, is this one, which I totally love when I went to the store also. तो मैंने आप लोगों के लिए record कर लिया है. This is a retro pearl gold bracelet which has a very beautiful gold pendant in the center, and every piece of jewelry that you see in Senco is handcrafted to perfection, and you see BIS hallmark 22 carat के gold के making में है. There is no doubt about this, and there is a very beautiful filigree work which looks really very glamorous. We have designed this beautiful gold bracelet with some modified karigari to intensify your daily look with a twist of pearl work in them. Pearl is also a very beautiful quality pearl, like a freshwater pearl with a very beautiful shine, which you can see. Now coming to the product specifications, I have got all the details for you from the website. तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो, इसका net weight है 7.1 ग्राम, gold weight है 34,463 रुपीस, stone weight है 880 रुपीस का, making charges यहाँ पर है 8,482 रुपीस and 32 पैसा, GST 3% है, which is 1,314 rupees and 76 paisa. Total price of this will cost you around 45,141 rupees, which is a very beautiful price indeed, which you're paying for this beautiful mantasha. And the gold work that you're seeing is pure 22 karat gold crafted to perfection. The next piece that I have got for you guys is a little heavy kind of a mantasha compared to the one I have shown you before. इसका डिजाइन काफी अलग है, and इसका जो सेंटर का जो पेंडेंट है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा lavish है. Sometimes traditional touch can create immense beauty with the basic designs. So this is a very sensational gold bracelet which has very beautiful Manipuri work on it, which is glorified with a touch of pearl work to cover your wrist. And you can team this up with your ethnic sarees, lehenga to have that very glam look. And इसके पीछे से भी बंद करने का सिस्टम काफ़ी अच्छा है, जो मैं आपको रोटेट करके बता रही हूँ, which is a very beautiful and also a kind of vintage piece. So the net weight is 12 grams. The gold value is 58,248 rupees. Stone value is 50 rupees. Making charge is 13,991 rupees and 52 paisa. GST is around 3%, and total price आपको इसका पड़ेगा around 74,459 rupees. So if you are a Bengali person and you were in search of beautiful mantashas which will actually kind of match up to your legacy, and you were not able to find this anywhere, please go to Senco to explore this kind of beautiful mantashas. क्योंकि जो authentic और जो real वाले jewelry होते हैं Bengali culture में जो पहनते हैं, they are all available in Senco. So the next piece that I have got for you guys is this very beautiful design which I'm holding in my hand, which has a very beautiful floral work, and it's a unique kind of a piece which has a very beautiful design on it, and also the pearl work is looking so delightful to watch. क्योंकि ऐसे बहुत कम pieces होते हैं जिनको देखने पे बहुत मजा आता है, and we feel that okay, I want to buy this piece. So it's a daisy with Chinese pearl gold choker, and this gold choker is not only special for this crafting, but it defines the dignity behind every artwork. So Chinese pearl work with flower design is beautiful craft always, and you can wear this with any kind of an attire. Pure BIS hallmark है, इसमें भी 22 कैरेट के गोल्ड के मेकिंग में है. नेट वेट यहाँ पर है 14.5 ग्राम, गोल्ड वैल्यू है 70,383 रुपीस के आसपास. सारा ब्रेकअप तो आप स्क्रीन पर देख ही सकते हो. टोटल वैल्यू आप पे करोगे अराउंड 89,894 रुपीस फॉर दिस वेरी ब्यूटिफुल mantasha. वैसे सभी पीसेस मैंने जो बताए हैं इन सभी में 20% ऑफ है ऑन मेकिंग चार्जेस ऑन गोल्ड एंड प्लैटिनम ज्वेलरी एट सेनको। एंड बहुत ही ज़्यादा दूसरे मांताशास भी अवेलेबल है इन सेनको जो मैं आपको स्क्रीन पर बता रही हूँ। अगर आप चाहे तो यू कैन इवन एक्सप्लोर देम, बट मेरे वीडियो के द्वारा मैं आपको यहाँ पर बताना चाहती थी ओनली द चाइनीज पर्ल, फ्रेश वाटर पर्ल अलॉन्ग विथ गोल्ड मांताशास विच आर पॉपुलरली नोन एज in Bengali culture, but they are basically kind of bracelets which looks really very nice. तो इस तरीके के गोल्ड में भी, प्योर गोल्ड में भी आपको अवेलेबल होंगे। बजट इज अबाउ 1 लाख रुपीज एंड देख सकते हो ये इस तरीके का है डिजाइन। इस तरीके के लाइट वेट पर्ल में भी आपको मिल जाएंगे। 1,61,000 रुपीज के भी मांताशास होते हैं वैसे। तो वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल कलेक्शन विच यू गाइस शुड डेफिनेटली एक्सप्लोर। ऑलराइट दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो के लिए बस इतना ही। आई होप यू गाइज एंजॉयड वाचिंग दिस वीडियो। अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आया तो प्लीज डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर मोर वीडियोस जस्ट लाइक दिस।